welcome back to another video. If you're new, I want to welcome you. Today I am continuing my Christmas decorating series. I am going to focus on my kitchen today, and if you missed my prior video, I'll have that linked up above. I did decorate my family room, and I love the color scheme that I have chosen for this year's decor. And my plan is I'm going to carry that same color scheme into the kitchen and just make my kitchen so nice and cozy and festive and inviting. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and hopefully it just gets you excited for the holiday season and maybe inspire you to decorate your homes. So with that being said, I want to thank Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. I have worked with them in the past, and I cannot speak highly enough about their jewelry. I love their jewelry. It is so stylish. There is a style that fits all tastes, and they're very affordable. They have, high-end pieces and then more affordable, budget-friendly pieces. But the quality of their jewelry is just amazing. And I just wanted to talk about a couple of the new pieces that they sent me. With Christmas right around the corner, this is the perfect time to start shopping. They are running a sale right now, which I will get to in a minute, but I'll start with the bracelets that they sent me, and I am wearing a couple of the rings that they've sent me in the past that I wear all the time. I love them. I am just so in love with these bracelets. They are gorgeous. The first one is called the Blair. I just love how the high polish finish on it. It does have a little cubic zirconian on it there, and what I love best is it has this little toggle that slides down the chain so you can adjust it to your size, and it just looks so pretty. The next one is called the Rio. This is called the Rio Chain Bracelet, and it's so kind of sparkles. The light just reflects off it. It's just gorgeous. And this gorgeous necklace is called the Ursa white. It has little cubic zirconians on it, and it's on a gold chain. It is so dainty and just beautiful. It also has the 3 rings on the back, so you can adjust it to your length. Again, I am just so impressed with their jewelry, and I love that they are environmentally friendly. They're 100% carbon neutral. If you're in need of a Christmas gift idea, I highly recommend you check out their website. I'll have it linked down below in the description box. They're running a Black Friday sale right now. Buy one piece of jewelry, get one 60% off. That is an amazing deal. So if you're interested, that will all be listed down below. But with that being said, thank you so much for stopping by today. I am so glad that you are here. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these kinds of videos. Consider subscribing if you're new, and let's get started. To give my kitchen that extra cozy feeling, I decided to bake some cinnamon rolls, and they smelled so amazing. They had the whole house smelling like Christmas. Whenever I'm decorating, I love to have a blank space to work with. That way I can better visualize where I want to place the decor. So I went ahead and cleared all the countertops off and decided to just give them a quick wipe down before I place the decor. I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's scent Snowdrop, and this is their latest holiday scent. It smells so good, and if you watch other Christmas decorating videos, I'm sure you've seen this same product in other videos, and it definitely lives up to the hype. I love the scent. It's so clean and just kind of has a little bit of a perfume scent to it. Very subtle, but definitely a clean, fresh scent. I'll begin by decorating my hanging shelves, and if you're new to my channel, these are new to my house. I've been wanting hanging shelves on this wall space for a long time now, and it feels so good to finally have them. I am having so much fun decorating them, and this is the first holiday season that I'm able to decorate them. So the items, actually my plan for the shelves was to just keep things very neutral, so have the same color scheme on both shelves and try not to over clutter them, which is very hard to do because there were so many other things I was wanting to put up there. But the Merry Christmas sign is a new purchase from Hobby Lobby. I got that I think last week. It was just under $8. It was a great buy. And then the little white houses are from the Target dollar spot, as are all of the little trees that you see. And you probably saw there are a couple nail holes in the wall. I am such a procrastinator. I need to fill those in. So I was kind of trying to strategically place the decor to hide those holes. But to finish off the shelves, I decided to add some little fairy lights, and I just think it did the perfect job of making these shelves look so festive. The angels did say, was a certain poor shepherd in the fields as they lay. I like my countertops to be very spacious and clutter-free, so I'm very thoughtful about what I'm putting on my countertop space and where I'm putting it, which is so hard this time of year. Let me tell you, there is so much Christmas decor I would like to put out on display on my countertops, but I find that just being very mindful of what pieces I'm placing on my counter space, it just helps the kitchen to look cleaner and brings more attention to those specific items. And I feel like it makes it easier to have a particular decorative theme to your space. So I want to highlight that little tree that I put by my sink, as well as this wreath. Both of those are from the Hearth and Hand collection at Target, and I'm sure you've probably seen these items in other Christmas hauls or Christmas decorating videos, but I think these are such high quality products for the price. I feel like these are going to be in so many households this Christmas. Moving on to my island, not my Christmas island, although I guess you could call it my Christmas island this time of year. I just decorated it with a vase that I filled with a stem that I got from Michael's and a bowl that I got more recently from IKEA. And bowls are such a fun way to decorate for the different seasons, different holidays. You can fill them with garland, with beads, with ornaments. There are so many options. I decided to create a little decorative festive coffee station. We actually keep our coffee pots housed on what's called the butler's pantry, I guess. It's just this very small counter space though, so there's not a whole lot of room to do anything decorative in that area. So I decided to use this counter space next to my ovens and do kind of like a decorative festive coffee display. And I'll probably add to it as time goes on. I've seen people do little canisters of toppings, sprinkles, candy canes, marshmallows, that kind of thing, which I think is so cute. Moving on to my Nook dining table, and this is the table we eat at every day. And I'm removing these slip covers because I just washed and dried them and they were so wrinkly, and I just was not in the mood to iron them for this video, to be honest with you. So I will put those back on the chairs once I've ironed them. But I wanted to keep the tablescape very minimal since we do use this table on a daily basis. And I'm just going to add this runner, which is from the Hearth and Hand collection at Target. I love it. I love how cozy and just kind of simple it is. I feel like that's appropriate for the kitchen since that's the area we hang out in so frequently. And these candles I got from World Market. I love the green color of them and it goes perfectly with my color scheme. Just a tip that I thought I would share with you because it's new to me and I don't know why I did not think of this sooner, but these candles actually have a wick at the bottom of them, and at first I was completely confused as to why it had a wick until it dawned on me that I could use that to, drip the wax into the holder to secure the candle, and it worked like a charm. Again, I don't know why I never thought of this before, but if you were wondering if that works, or you're wondering how to secure your candles that might be too small for your candle holders, that worked perfectly. I was debating whether to use this lighted gold garland that I got from IKEA, and I love this garland. It is so pretty, but I just wasn't feeling it in this tablescape. I will definitely use it elsewhere in my decor, but let me know what you guys think, and if you are still watching at this point in the video, thank you so much. I appreciate you, and I hope that you're gaining some inspiration, and please do not feel pressured to go out and buy new decor. That is not the point of this video. I hope that you see something in this video that gives you, sparks an idea in you where you can use your existing decor and kind of, duplicate that same look, or maybe you do want to go out and treat yourself to a new decor item. But I just feel like that needs to be said. Obviously, it's kind of my job on YouTube to create new content for you guys, but I would never want you to think for a moment that to get your homes beautiful, you need to buy new decor. That is just not the case. And what is more beautiful and more important is the time that you spend with your loved ones. And that is what makes your house a home. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you join this wonderful YouTube family. Thank you again to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. I will have a link to their website along with links to the jewelry pieces I mentioned in today's video down in the description box. Take full advantage of their Black Friday sale going on right now. You don't want to miss it, but have a wonderful, a beautiful holiday season, and I will see you in my next one. Take care.